united everybody. Right or wrong? ABAP united everybody. Every one of you from all the districts. It's because of ABAP we have all come together. It's not only Telangana. Let it be Andhra, let it be Tamil Nadu, let it be Karnataka, let it be Kerala. And this ABAP, we are speaking about whom? The Kaliyuga Varadan, Sachat Ayyappan. Nothing else. We are not any, any fully religious organization. We are not into caste. We are not into business. We are not into trade union. Nothing. Our sole aim is socio-religious activities. Doing Ayyappa Pracharam through social cause. We all come together through social cause in the name of Lord Ayyappa. So that is an important thing. When we all come together, you need to understand there are 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10. All the 10 are different size. All the 10 fingers are different size. In your house, there will be sisters and brothers. Every day we will be fighting with each other. Am I right or wrong? Because you study well, I don't study well. You make a lot of money, I don't have money. You have a lot of property, I don't have property. Your children are really good, my children are not good. So these are all the complexes come between even the family members. But imagine, in the family who are all of the same blood, this is happening. In ABAP, we are from 33 districts of Telangana. Can we all come together? Can we all come together? Yes, we can come together. We must come together. But there are small difficulties, just like the fingers. One is big, one is small. One is Kandi Swami, one is 18 years Guru Swami, and one is Bada Guru Swami. So you have different sizes. All of the things split us in the name of a very dangerous 3-letter word. What is the dangerous 3-letter word?
Ego.
Ego. E-G-O. We think that I am big. Ayyappa Das, National President. I am from Kerala. My business in Singapore. So I am very big. I will tell you in front of Ayyappa, I am nothing. Everybody here, in front of him, we are all equal. We need to do Maladharana. We need to do 41 Diksha. We need to have our Irumudi. We need to walk at least 4.5 kilometers. You need to climb the 18 steps. Then only you will have darshan. Will Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji directly landing in the helicopter at Sabrimala Sannidhanam? No. Will Rashtrapati Ramnath Kovind, will he come in that? No. In front of Ayyappa, there is no special ticket, there is no special darshan, there is nobody without Irumadi. All are equal. But this 3-letter word is what it is splitting everybody. Hyderabad, capital city, I am big. It is IT city, I am big. Mancherial, lot of money, so Mancherial is big. Or Kadapa district, where is Gangesedi Swami? I am very big. I am very big. Not Kadapa, sorry, Khammam district, I am very big. Nizamabad, they are connected with a very big Ayyappa temple, so I am very big. So everybody thinking that I am big. That is the problem. That is the real problem. I can tell you, in ABAP, just like Ayyappa, everybody are equal. No big man, no small man. All are equal. No high caste, no low caste. No with huge number or with less one. Everybody are equal. Please understand. I don't know how many of you know about the word EGO. You know what is it? Ego. You know the full form? Edging God out. What is? Edging God out. You will be a Guruswami for 40 years, going to Shabarimala every month. If you have ego, even Ayyappa will not come to you. All your vastram or mala, everything is a vesham, a drama. Nothing is true. If you have ego, nothing is true. You have to be a normal human being. How many of you are interested to come like that? To become like that? I want to be with a real Ayyappa, no ego. How many of you want to become a person without ego? Everyone. That is what our aim. Just imagine, we hardly live for 65 years or 70 years. The first 20 years we are studying, depending upon the father's income or mother's income. After that, you start getting into a job or a business. You get married, and then everything is without asking your wife, you cannot do anything. And then your children come, they grow up, and after that, without asking children, you cannot do anything. Everywhere you have a checkpoint. Any human being, we have a checkpoint. The dependency. Without me, Balanjanadu cannot do anything. Without Balanjanadu, I cannot come to Andhra. He is my person there. So this is what it is. Everybody are dependent, interdependent. So if you think, I used to say in business, your partnership should be like this. If it is like this, can it split? No. All of us, what we do, Swami Sharanam, shake hand, or a namaste, or you hug. All these shake hand, hugging, everything, in a minute it will be go off. But whereas if you have the real chain-like relationship, this relationship will not break. It will remain. Whether you are a big man or a small man, this will remain. So my humble request, touching all your feet is, don't have ego. Please throw it out. Let us not have ego. If you have ego, this is not the place. If you have ego, it is not Ayyappa. There is no point in going to Ayyappa. You cannot have ego with Ayyappa. So this is very important for an organization. This is a very, very vital thing for the organization. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Hariprasad ji, who is it? Want to talk a couple of minutes on this?
Yes. Sorry.
సార్ మనందరికీ కూడాను